Hi, welcome to 2.3 Newton's Law Arguments. We're actually going to be watching cartoons today. Newton's Law arguments need to contain three parts. The first part is the part of the law that you're examining. So remember that some of the laws had first part and second part. So we're going to examine just part of the law. Then you have to put the situation into the law and state whether or not the law is being obeyed or disobeyed. You have to remember the laws and know what to look for. So law 1, remember, is an object in motion or rest will stay in motion or rest unless acted on by a net force. So again, we're looking for objects, we're looking for some sort of motion or non-motion, and we're looking for forces acting or not acting. In law 2, an object will accelerate in the direction force is applied, and force equals mass times acceleration. So again, we're looking for an object, we're looking for a direction is important here, and we're looking for realistic forces. In law 3, for every action force, there's an equal and opposite reaction force. Here we're looking for force pairs being equal in size but opposite in direction. So let's watch a cartoon. Cartoons are a great way to figure out if laws are being obeyed or disobeyed. We're going to watch just a few seconds, actually, of this cartoon and make a short list. So watch carefully. Okay, let's watch that again. Okay, so now let's look at a small list. There were 3 examples that I found. 1, the plant stayed up in the air, right? 2, Tom ran in the very beginning, but he didn't go anywhere. And 3, Jerry got hit with a spoon. Now, remember when you watch Tom and Jerry, that Tom and Jerry are supposed to simulate children. So like think of Jerry as a 3 or 4-year-old and think of Tom as a 9 or 10-year-old. Okay? So here's the arguments. The first one, the plant stayed up in the air. Law 1 says that an object, the plant, will stay in motion, it's in the air, unless acted on by a net force. That's gravity. The plant stayed up in the air, right? It didn't come immediately back down. This disobeys Newton's first law of motion. And that's all you have to write. That's the argument. In number 2, Tom ran, but he didn't move. Law 3 says for every action force, Tom pushing on the air, there is an equal and opposite reaction force, the air pushing back on Tom. Running in the air disobeys Newton's third law of motion. Finally, Jerry got hit by a spoon. Law 2 says that an object, the spoon, will accelerate in the direction down towards Jerry's head. Force is applied, right? This obeys Newton's second law because the spoon went the direction Tom told it to go. So you're going to be given several situations today. You need to identify what law they're looking at, and hopefully they're written very obviously, what law it is. And then you're going to write arguments for those situations. How are they obeying or disobeying the law? Thanks for watching.